there, namaste. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel. I am Girija, and today we are looking into March reading. So let us see like what is coming through with regards to whatever guidance is coming for you. And yes, March babies, happy birthday to you in advance. And let us dive deep into the reading. Please do remember these are generalized readings. If you would like to book a personal reading, you will have all the contacts in the description box below as well as the timestamps. All right, so let us hop into it. Hi people, group number 2. So if you have got attracted to this beautiful card of elephant or this carnelian, here let us have your reading. So if you have got attracted to this elephant, I can just see that first of all you are a very intelligent group, and your driving force is knowledge and wisdom. So there are high chances that in the month of March you might receive some amazing wisdom for yourself. And also, if you have been stuck in some stuff, so these obstacles will be removed for you, and this is what the elephant or the Ganesha states, like removing the obstacle. So that is really very nice. And if you can see this fire that is here right in front of my finger, I am just seeing that. And also the color red over here, I am just seeing that something is igniting within you and for you, and you are coming back into that passion which maybe you had taken break from, or something on those terms. So I'm just already getting a very beautiful vibe that will shower full of wisdom, full of knowledge, intellect, and releasing any kind of obstacles. So yes, let us see what your other cards are saying. And I would also be giving the reading like every week wise. So I have already shuffled the cards, and I have pulled 4 cards, and those will state like what will be the energy of each week of this month. So let us see like what is your main theme of this month. So the card for your main energy is the Justice card. So I'm just getting the vibe that something is getting cleared for you, as this elephant is saying something is, you are getting some kind of justice. Maybe you were waiting for something, and March is the month that you are getting the full picture, you are getting some kind of result and stuff like that. So let us see week first, like this existing week, what you are getting. Okay, you are moving away from something, away from someone, or away from certain situations which were not helping your best like your best interest. So also, if you are planning to release certain energies, if you are planning to cut off certain people from your life emotionally, mentally, so now is the time that you will think about it and you will actually start doing that. So maybe this card looks a bit of not very happy or positive card, but its result, like after you walk away from certain situations or certain energies, you will start seeing the light when you are moving or stepping out of certain energies. uh, week number 2, I am seeing this 8 of swords for you. So there could be certain some kind of conflict that you might be going through. And yes, I'm already seeing like these 2 cards, these 2 weeks for you. There could be some kind of self contemplation, or some kind of stuckness that you might be experiencing, and those obstacles you are actually working towards releasing this obstacles or this kind of trapness from certain situation towards certain people. Week number 3 there is an amazing celebration that is coming for you. So week 1 and 2, as you are working towards your freedom, towards the sense of relief, week number 3 you will be experiencing this kind of celebration where you have your friends, your family, and there is some kind of party celebration, that kind of thing. And yes, your week number 4 is the emotional fulfillment that you will be experiencing through all the stuff that you have been through. So already I am seeing this amazing transformation, and uh, time is fluid. So for few of you, you could already be in this 3 of cups of celebration and emotional fulfillment kind of energy. For few of you, you are just coming out of it. For few of you, it could be you are just resolving this mental clutter that you might have experienced. So this is the general energy of your weeks. And let us see for this month of March what is coming for you through health. Okay, with regards to your health, I am seeing the more light-hearted energy you will keep, more you will laugh and experience the laughter, more easy your energies will be. So many a times laughing at the situation or laughing at the problems gives you that ease, gives you that freedom from whatever stuff, lower vibrational stuff that you might be experiencing. And also this is calling upon to meet your old friends, to meet your childhood friends, and just have that gala time. So having a good laughter and that light-hearted energy could actually help you to come out of certain stuck stagnant energy. And with regards to your love life also, I'm seeing this children card. So again, with this card I'm seeing that you have to tap into your inner child, be that innocent self, be that happy bubbly kind of energy. And you will just see that adding this tinge of laughter, adding this tinge of innocence to your regular life, or having this light-hearted energy, you will see immediate shift in your own energy as well as the situation that you might be inquiring about. And also one of this advice that is coming for you is imagine the output that you would like to have. Imagine or have some creative visualizations for the outcome that you would like to experience into your given situation. And also you are being shielded by certain celestial energies, you are guided, you are protected by archangels. Archangel Michael is here for your protection, so you can always call upon Archangel Michael to help you, to shield you in all these situations. And I am intuitively just guided to tell you that color blue will help you in order to ease out your energies. And also color blue is associated to your throat chakra, and as I'm seeing this laughter energy, laughter is the expression that we actually, those are the first expressions that we learn as a baby, as a child. And you have to rekindle that laughter for your own self. So color blue will help you to open up and to express yourself freely. So this is all I have for you, group number 1. Hope you have an amazing month, and do let me know how did you resonated with this reading. And to book a private reading, you can contact me personally. All the personal details are in the description box below. Thank you so much for being here. God bless you. Hi, group number 2 people, those who have got attracted to this beautiful card of unicorn or this black obsidian crystal. Here is the reading for you. So with this unicorn card, what I am seeing is this group, maybe you are kind of a spiritual person, and now you are questioning your own self, you are questioning the divinity, you are also maybe thinking about um, your own self connect. You maybe you have started doing some inner work, or something on those terms is what I am seeing. And I'm also seeing you are your self trust and also your soul expansion is taking place right now, or it is about to. You are getting some kind of awakening that you are coming through, and this unicorn is guiding you to have more trust in yourself and also more trust in the god that you believe in. And this is, I am just listening the word wanderer, so maybe you might be feeling that you want to get back on the track, but you are already on the track is what I'm getting the guidance to tell you. So let us see what is your main theme of this for the month of March 2021. And I'm having four another cards which will be explaining each week for you of this month. So let us begin with your, and also of course other oracle cards that I have for further clarification. So major theme for you is death. So please don't be scared with this card, because death card showing up in the reading is a blessing in disguise. Please don't like, it's not a physical death, but it is the death of the old. You are coming out of certain rut of the situations that you were in, and there is a huge transformation for you that is happening at all the levels. It could be physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, whatever you have, you are coming out of. So it could be you are leaving an old job which was not serving you, or it could be that you are recovering from certain health issue, or also it could be with regards to a relationship. You are ready to leave the relationship that was not serving for your highest and best. And I'm also seeing that in this month there is major detoxification that is happening for you. So this is all I'm getting with this card, death. And I'm just getting attracted to the golden jewelry, or whatever the golden color is here in this card. I am just seeing that for you also, you are getting some kind of activation that will actually help you to level up yourself. So with this death card, I am seeing that there is this rebirth, start for you that is taking place. So for week first of March 2021, I am seeing this Knight of Wands energy, and I'm seeing that there is this quick movement for you that is taking place. So maybe the transformation that is taking place for you is happening rather quickly than you expected. Maybe you are also planning to travel, and it's a fast decision and fast traveling that is taking place for you. For some of you, I'm seeing that there could be some passionate new beginnings that those are taking place for you, and you are starting some new project, or some, for few of you I'm listening, a new relationship. So this could be, please take whatever is resonating with you. Knight of Wands is a very fast moving energy. So week number one, things are happening pretty faster for you. Okay, so week number two, Ace of Wands, beautiful cards. So Ace of Wands, again, it's a fresh beginning for you. So just whatever you are planning to start, just go for it. For a few of you, I am listening love confrontation that I'm listening for a few of you. Maybe somebody is coming to propose you, maybe somebody is coming to ask you out. For a few of you, this could happen. And yes, this is the Knight of Wands. This is the person that most of you are already knowing this person. And yes, few of you are closing you are ending some kind of relationship and now you are starting some kind of new relationship, that I am listening. And yes, I am just seeing, if you can see this hand, this is coming from the clouds. This is the divine intervention that is taking place for your project, for your relationship, or whatever your question is. There is this new beginning that is divinely guided for you, and you also, with the unicorn card, you are high with your intuitions. So please do trust your intuition, don't question your intuitions, and take the inspired actions according to those intuitions. So um, week number 3, I am seeing there is some kind of victory that is coming for you. It could be a job promotion, it could be some kind of appraisal, or it could be, actually for few of you, it could be fixing your marriage, fixing your wedding. And I am just seeing that you are coming to this recognition, the public recognition, or also your family is supporting you, they are greeting you, that kind of energy, very loving vibe with this energy. And also with this death card showing up, you have ended something and you are victorious in the entire situation. So that is really very nice. As I'm doing this reading, I have some uncomfort in my back. So there are high chances, people watching this, you might be experiencing some kind of back pain or lower back pain. That is what I'm listening. So I'm getting the guidance to tell you that there is this stuck, stagnant energy that is holding your back, and this is coming from some kind of situation which was uncomfortable for you, and finally you are breaking through that situation, and you are coming out very, very, like, with flying colors. So that's really very nice. I'm listening the word dance. So if you can dance for maybe like 5 minutes on your favorite tune, you will experience this release of energy that will take place from your body. So it is just some kind of emotional residual energy that you are holding, which is giving you this back comfort. This is not for everybody, for people who are resonating with this back pain thing. So more lighter energy will help you to ease out this stuck, stagnant energy. And yes, for week number 4, you are in this king or queen position. Your gender doesn't matter, like, it is these are the energies. And with this king of pentacles, I am seeing that you are all victorious, you are completely in your own power. And the death card that showed up, you are transforming. This is the transformation that you are experiencing. You just see how much darkness is here and just compare all the lightness that is coming here. So I am just like in complete awe of these cards of like weekly interpretations. And you, fourth week, you will be in complete self power, and you will be in the authority to make decisions, to take the stand for yourself. And also I am seeing that week number 4, I am seeing that you will be helping someone. So there are high chances that someone will ask some kind of help to you, and of course it is your choice if you would like to help or no. But there is some kind of help that you will be offering to someone. So that is coming strong. So yay, with your health cards, I'm seeing this celebration. So this celebration that you are coming in the victory and all that stuff, or also you are in your best form in this month of March, is what I am seeing. And universe is guiding you to celebrate that victory. And celebrate doesn't means that drinking and partying and stuff, but celebration is the vibe where you feel so grateful, where you feel so joyous, where you feel love around you. So be in that vibe of celebration. This is what the guidance that I'm getting through. Yes, yes. So, for many of you, you are coming out of this codependent relationship. There are high chances that maybe you could be in some kind of toxic relationship or some kind of toxic thought patterns that you are cleaning up, that you are cleaning. This is the transformation that is taking place. And didn't I say, like, singing and dancing? The card that is validating, you can I didn't see this card before. So with the to have that uplifted vibe, you can start like singing or dancing, whatever feels good to you. And you are coming out of this codependent relationship. And this codependency thing, it could also be your work related, it could be within your family relatives, or also within friends, because codependency in friends is also a very toxic thing that one can experience. So you are cleaning it all, and then you are coming into the fresh kind of energy with new beginnings and with amazing vibes. I am listening color yellow for you, and also in your cards I am seeing more kind of yellow color. So yellow color is also an auspicious color, it is the color of celebration. So it's just a suggestion. If you feel attracted to, please have more yellows in your surrounding. Okay, so this is all I have for you, group number 2. Hope you have an amazing month. And to book your private session, you can check into the contact details. And yes, God bless you. Thank you so much for being here. Hi, group number 3. Hope you all are doing well. People, those who have got attracted to this crow spirit or this crystal citrine, here is the reading for you. So if you have got attracted to this crow spirit, I'm just seeing that you are highly intuitive. You people like to observe, and there are high chances that this group of people, maybe you dwell too much on the past, or maybe you think too much about the future. And the immediate guidance for you here is to start practicing to meditate, or maybe you are already meditating, so keep doing that so that you are always centered in the present. All right, so this is the card that I am seeing, and I am just getting attracted to this beautiful colorful egg kind of structure that is down. So I'm just seeing that like you are old soul. Like old soul is someone who has incarnated many a times on this planet, and you have so much of wisdom, you have so much of knowledge of occult, we can say. And you are like heightened with your intuition. Like why are you here for this reading? You already know everything. Yeah, so let us start with your reading. And I'm also seeing this imagery here, like all these, whatever it is, bush, or I am seeing like you stay very grounded, or you normally are unaffected by your surroundings. Like these are thorns kind of structure that I'm seeing, but this crow is sitting so silently, so peacefully here, that even you are not able to see its features. So you are kind of calm and composed people. So there is like the guidance for you is if you are not meditating, start meditating. And if you are already meditating, do it more. This is the guidance that I'm getting through. So let us see what is your major theme. And also I have like 4 cards to check your weekly energies. So first let us see like what is your major theme. So major theme for you is the Devil card. I know it is scary. So this Devil card is saying that you are, in this month of March, you are coming out of some toxicity. The Devil card is the card of addiction. It could be addiction towards negative thought patterns, it could be some addiction towards substance, or also there could be some repetitive cycles that you might be experiencing, and finally you are breaking through that, through those cycles. And also for few of you, you might be getting like you are acknowledging your inner demons. So it could be fear, it could be anger, and you have started acknowledging that these are your own demons which you might have avoided for such a long time, and now is the time to deal with those demons, with those devils, those are within you. So I am just getting this vibe that you are the group who are plunging into this self work, into this self upgrade or self upliftment. So let us see like what your other cards are saying. So week number 1 for March 2021. So this is the Page of Cups that I am seeing, and for few of you, you are receiving some kind of good news, some kind of message that maybe you are not aware about, or you are not expecting. So it could be with regards to your work, with regards to your love and relationship, with regards to also your intuition. You might receive some kind of information, some kind of messages through your dreams, through your meditations, intuitions and stuff like that. So that is. And also I am seeing that for few of you there could be an love offer from the person who might be younger to you. And yes, I'm listening to that. For few of you, it could be related with regards to your child or with regards to your children, because this is this Page of Cups, this is a childlike energy that I am listening. So maybe most of your time is will be going towards looking after your children, or your child is coming for few of you. Week number 2, I'm seeing that you are ending some kind of cycle which was of course very very toxic for you. Okay, and the good part is the number 10 here says that you are ending this cycle. So by looking this card, you don't have to get scared. Maybe you are coming out of some health problem, or maybe some of your family member is coming out of this health problem, and all that stress and anxiety cycle is coming towards end in this week number 2 for you. So that's a good sign is what I could tell you, because finally this cycle is ending for you. And this is unknowingly I placed this card right below this card. So you are coming out of certain cycle. For few of you, you are coming out of some kind of toxic relationship, toxic atmosphere that you were stuck in for quite a long time, and you were divinely guided to take steps towards coming out of that situation. Week number 3, you are going through this transformation. For many of you, it could be a difficult transformation. I'm not telling this to scare you, but to make you aware that the more you accept the change that is coming towards you, more it will be easier for you to digest the change that is coming through. Many a times, if we even if we get intuition towards make certain changes, and we are reluctant to make those changes in our life, universe will give us the push that might we may not be ready for. Okay, so it could be like for example, it could be that you are getting an notice from your office to leave the job, or suddenly you might get the vibe that the person you are dealing with romantically is not the one for you, or some kind of breakup or something that shows up in our reality which we are not ready for, and that is the tower moment that we go through. But I am just seeing that, or also for few of you it could be like some message that you are getting in the week 1 which will help you to close certain cycle in your life, and that will give you this sense of transformation that you are going through. So yes, and also it could create some kind of internal conflict for you. I am seeing some kind of conflict here that could represent in your mind, or also there could be certain people, those who are involved there. It could be an verbal conflict, or also conflict into your mind, internal conflict that I am seeing. So just don't worry about it, because as seeing the cards, because I'm seeing that you are actually decluttering all that negativity, all that stuff that was not actually meant for you. And with regards to your health, whatever stress and anxiety that you are going through, please talk to someone. That is the guidance that is coming through very strong. Talk to your friend, talk to your parents, or whoever you feel close and safe to discuss your concerns. Talking will help you a lot with through to come out of all these stuck and very heavy dense energy that I'm looking for, pile number 3. And what additional guidance that is coming is, yes, here and now. Maybe there could be certain past issues that might erupt, and you are again going, swinging to and fro from past to future and future to past. So here and now is all your solutions are in the now moment, and please make an conscious effort to be in this present moment. And as I told you earlier, that you are guided through your intuitions, your ascendant masters, or any guru, if you are following their blessings, their energy is always around you. So please do trust the intuitions and the guidance that you are getting through the non-physical realms, that will really help you to ease out or to come out of these situation. And yes, many of you, as I mentioned earlier, you might be coming out of certain situation with regards to the relationship, and there awaits a new love for you. So people who are like looking towards having a new romance in their life, there are high chances that in this month of March, a new love is coming to you, or you are already in a relationship. This person will express themselves to you. They might also propose to you for deeper commitments. And I am listening the word green for you. So if you can start using more of greens into your surroundings, it will help you to ease out your energies. So whatever this conflict is, I would like to know, like how this reading has resonated with you, because I understand having death card, tower card, 5 of wands, 10 of swords. These are very transformative energy. We do feel the pain in the transformation, but after like going through this transformation, you will be an star kind of vibe that you will be holding, that I'm getting very, very strong. So this is all I have for you, group number 3. Hope you have an easy transformation that you are going through, and God bless you. So if you would like to have a personal reading, please do check the description box. I have mentioned my details there, and hope you have an amazing month. Thank you so much for being here.